Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be diving into the latest developments in the field of isogeometric analysis, IGA, within ANSYS version 2025.2.0. Kicking things off, new options are now supported in the trimmed solid window during the creation of IGA solids. The TETMesh -1 and -2 options are now available for PID embedding, eliminating the need to use the tetra.key include file during the simulation. Another key enhancement in this window is the Apply Refinement checkbox, which generates the IGA refined solid keyword during output. Next up, ANSYS now supports accurate solid IGA modeling with BREP integration. Building on that, control point modification is now supported for both single and multi-control point operations. Moving on, ANSYS introduces a one-click solution for creating unstructured IGA shells as BEXT for large and complex parts. Another key addition is the ability to accelerate design iterations by converting FE models into IGA shells, enabling direct simulation and immediate reuse within CAD systems. Finally, it is now possible to identify geometry quality issues early in the IGA workflow. Let's explore these new features in more detail. To generate an IGA solid, navigate to the Solid category and select Trimmed. The TETMesh -1 and -2 options can be found under the corresponding drop-down menu. By selecting either solids or faces, the algorithm automatically generates all required keywords related to the IGA solids. Moreover, enabling the Apply Refinement checkbox opens a dialog for selecting IGA refined solid options, allowing the solver to treat the IGA solid accordingly during the simulation. Next up is the input and output support for IGA solids with BREP integration. The main idea is to work directly with the boundary representation of solid models. Continuing, control point modification can be performed via Modify Control Points. This opens the Move Control Point window, where users can define the translation orientation and enable options such as Live Preview and Snap Control Points. When both options are activated, live preview adjustments of IGA surface control point morphing operations are performed, along with manual Jacobian correction. Control point modification supports not only single control points, but also multi-control point modification for both structured shell patches and unstructured shell patches. Let's move on to the creation of unstructured IGA shells as BEXT for large and complex parts. This can be done using the unstructured option under the shell patch category. Additional sub-options for creating the unstructured shell patch are the triple cons treatment, the target length, the simplify and the merge. A major new addition is the seamless FE to IGA conversion, which significantly accelerates design loops. With this capability, FE models can be converted into IGA shells using the Trimmed button in the Shell Patch category. In the Trimmed Shell Patch window, the Source drop-down menu includes a shell option, allowing users to select FE shells alongside the existing choices. This one-click workflow delivers both speed and convenience, especially when modifying large models during early design stages. Last but not least, it is now possible to identify geometry quality issues early in the IGA workflow for large assemblies. IGA checks are available under Checks More IGA entities. A new option, Check Invalid Geometry, detects incorrect usage of IGA entities and reports the associated errors and warnings. Thank you for watching.